Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a game-changing solution that's going to revolutionize the way you handle your finances as a hardware-centric startup. Say goodbye to those tedious hours spent on invoices and accounts payable, and say hello to the world of efficient and automated invoice management. I'm pumped to share these awesome insights with you, so hit that like button and let's get started. Alright, folks, let's start with the basics. Invoice management is the secret sauce that allows companies to track and pay supplier invoices like a well-oiled machine. Forget the old-school paper invoices. With automation, it's a breeze. Basically, it's all about receiving the invoice, recording the data, verifying it's legit, and then hitting that Pay Now button. Gone are the days of manual processing and lost invoices. Today, we're all about the 4 steps of automated invoice awesomeness. First, we receive the invoice from the vendor, simple enough. Next, we record that data into the accounting software, no sweat. Then, we verify it's all accurate and ready for approval, easy peasy. Finally, it's time to approve the payment. Now, you might be wondering, how can we maximize the potential of this epic invoice management software? Well, listen up because we've got some stellar tips for you. First off, prioritize those invoices like a pro. Focus on what's essential to pay first and save those sweet discounts for early payments. Next up, streamline that invoice processing workflow. No more bottlenecks slowing you down. We're talking centralized and standardized approvals, baby. Oh, and let's not forget about fraud detection, safety first, right? With automation, you can kick fraud to the curb and rest easy knowing your finances are in good hands. Hey, we all know hiccups happen, but don't fret. Our top-notch invoice management tool tracks and resolves disputes in a jiffy, keeping those supplier relationships rock solid. And speaking of relationships, this automated magic builds bridges with your vendors, making strategic sourcing a walk in the park. But wait, there's more. Automation also saves you that precious time and money. Imagine boosting employee productivity while making the procurement process a breeze. Yep, it's a win-win. Well, my fellow trailblazers, there you have it, the game-changing world of invoice management. Time-saving, relationship-building, fraud detecting, and money-saving, what more could you ask for? So, if you're a hardware-centric startup aiming to stay ahead in this competitive world, make sure to jump on this invoice management train. Hit that subscribe button for more amazing content, and until next time, stay optimistic and keep on innovating. Cheers!